Thailand, the beating heart of Southeast Asian manufacturing, is charging into its next decade of digital transformation. But as enterprises embrace AI, a hidden crisis is emerging in the factory floor. What keeps buyers up at night isn't just the hardware, it's the fear of technological orphans. It's the risk of investing in advanced systems only to be left without OEM support, leading to failed transitions and stagnant growth. Today, we're on the ground in Taipei to see how NexAIoT is solving this global supply chain bottleneck through official authorization and total support. Here, Thai partner KYOUEI has dispatched engineers to Taiwan. This isn't just basic training, it's a seamless DNA transfer of intelligence, from L1 sensing all the way to the L4 war room. This alliance is a promise. The service you get in Thailand is identical to the standards of the original factory in Taiwan.
Very good for this training, not only training. It educates for our side to know well the diff of the NEXCOM NexAIoT.
Thank you. Together, I think we can build the new generation solutions from the IoT and the operation side all the way to the corporate solutions.
For our partners, this level of OEM support is a guarantee of sustainable profit. They are no longer just selling hardware, they are delivering total, worry-free solutions. For the end users, choosing NexAIoT means the seamless integration of global innovation and immediate local support. This win-win-win ecosystem is successfully defining a new benchmark for intelligent manufacturing in Thailand. Great products are remembered, but only exceptional service earns lasting trust. NexAIoT, defining the standard of industrial trust. Let metal think.